All right, class, last time, it's day 5 now. In day 4, we attached the top and bottom slabs. And so now it's closed up. If you notice from yesterday, this is a different example. If it looks weird, it's because I used a different size can, 2 different size cans for that top part. And once you attach the top and the bottom, take some time, take a class period to smooth it out. And to smooth it out, you'll need a scraper like this and a knife. In this case here, I'm using a banding wheel. These are located on the shelf over there. It kind of just helps turn. I just have a piece of paper here so that it won't stick to the banding wheel. And I've already done a lot of scraping here, but after you attach your top and bottom and cut out the slab, it's gonna be pretty messy on the seams here. So I'm gonna put my piece on the banding wheel such that it's off the edge just a little bit. And I can put my scraper here and scrape away any excess clay. And once you scrape, you'll have to take it away. Sometimes I have a sponge handy to help wipe off the scraper or the knife that I'm using. And so let me show you this top part. And you can decide which you want to be the top or the bottom, because you'll spend a little bit more time on the top. And in this case, I put more work into this part already. As you can see, I've scraped some, and I'm also rounding off the edges. And the reason why we want to round off the edges is because the clay doesn't stick very well to sharp edges. I mean, not the clay, the glaze. The glaze doesn't stick to sharp edges. And so after you glaze it and fire it, it will be kind of exposed. It'll be like an exposed edge. So we want to scrape them to round them off. And on the bottom, you want to round off the bottom edge too, just so it's pleasant to hold or it won't scratch your table. Even though there's no glaze on the very bottom, you still want to round that off. So, so again, you want to put your piece on the banding wheel so that it's kind of just barely at the edge, and then scrape away. And then also scrape the edge so that you round it off. Okay, and in the next video, I'll show how to cut the top. All right, thank you.